Starting with the next sum. This is same as job sequencing, but now we are doing it with three machines, A, B and C. When we have the sum for three machines, we need to convert it into two machines. There are certain conditions to convert this into two machines. All the sums cannot be converted into two machines. They need to satisfy either of these two conditions. A minimum, A का minimum number है 22 and B maximum, B's maximum number is 22. They both should be either, A's minimum number should either be greater than or equal to B maximum. ये condition satisfy हो रहा है तो we can solve the sum. If this is not satisfied, we will check this as well. C is minimum. For this one, C's minimum is 20, B's maximum is 22. This is not satisfied, but then too we will do this sum. I mean, we will convert from 3 to 2 machines because one of the condition is satisfied. Now for converting this into 2, what we need to do, A, B, C, we will convert it into G and H. So we need to calculate the values of G and H. For the time of G, the formula is time of A plus time of B, and for T of H, it is time of B plus time of C. Here it will be jobs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. अभी G कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम ए बी का एडिशन करेंगे. 22 प्लस 21 इक्वल्स टू 43. 25 प्लस 22 equal to 47. 23 plus 19 equal to 42. 22 plus 20 equal to 42. 24 plus 19 equal to 43. H का टाइम कैलकुलेट करने के लिए we have to add B and C. 21 plus 23 equal to 44. 22 plus 24 equal to 46. 19 plus 22 equal to 41. 20 plus 25 equal to 45. 19 plus 20 equal to 39. Now our sum is converted into G and H. This is done to sequence the job. Now we are having 5 activities. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. अभी हम ये वाले वैल्यूज पे चेक करेंगे. द वन विथ मिनिमम विल बी गिवन द फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस. यहाँ से G स्टार्ट करेंगे एंड फ्रॉम हियर वी विल हैव H. इफ यू सी द एंटायर वैल्यू from G, if we see, we have minimum value is 39, that is from H side 5th number. So we will cancel this. For rest of the things, minimum is 41 here. So that is 3rd. Again from H side. Cancel this. Then next minimum value is 42 from G side. G side 4th number. The next minimum is 43, G side 1st number. And here it will be 2nd. So my job sequence is 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. This is only for sequencing. Right? Now when we need to calculate the elapsed time, it will be job, machine A, B and C. In, out, in, out, in, out. My job sequence is 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. In time 0. This will be 0 plus A में 2, that is 20. A में 4, that is 22. This is 22. सिर्फ sequencing के लिए we have converted these 3 into 2. When we have to calculate the elapsed time, हम फिर से ABC के हिसाब से करेंगे and the values will be from our question itself. ये 22 यहाँ पे. Next will be 22 plus A's 1 is 22. So this will be 44. Next 44 plus A का second is 25. 44 plus 25, 69. Next is 69. So this will be 69 plus A का third is 23. 69 plus 23, 92. 92 यहाँ पे, here it will be 92 plus A का fifth is 24. This will be 116. अभी B पे आते हैं. A is out time will be B is in time. So this will be 22. 22 plus B का fourth is 20. So this will be 42. 42 यहाँ पे 44, तो यहाँ पे आएगा 44. The one which is highest वो आएगा. So this will be 44 plus B का first कितना है 21. So this will be 65. 65 or 69, 69 is greater, so here it will be 69. So this will be 69 plus B का second कितना है 22. So this will be 91. 91 or 92, 92. So this will be 92 plus B का third 19. 92 plus 19 is 111. 111 or 116, 116. So this will be 116 plus B का fifth is 19. So this will be 135. C पे आते हैं. जो B का आउट है वो C का इन है. So this will be 42. 42 plus C का fourth is 25. 42 plus 25 is 67. यहाँ पे 67, 65, तो यहाँ पे आएगा 67. This will be 67 plus C is first is 23. 67 plus 23 is 90. 90 or 91, 91. Whenever I am not copying the same number from here, I am giving it a asterisk mark which shows that there is difference in the time. This will be helpful while we will be calculating the ideal time. 91 plus C is second is 24. So this will be 115. 115 or 111, here it will be 115. 115 plus C is third 22. So this will be 137. 137 and 135, 137. So 137 plus C is fifth is 20. So this will be 157. So I'll write here total minimum elapsed time 157 minutes. Ideal time for machine A, machine B and machine C. For machine A, the ideal time will be 157 minus 116. My entire works get complete in 157 minutes, but machine A has worked only till 116 minutes. So in दोनों का difference will be the time when A machine is not working, that is 41 minutes. For B machine started working at 22 minutes. So this will be 22 minus 0 plus, अभी B मशीन कहाँ पे उसका टाइम इलैप्स्ड है वो हम चेक करेंगे. ये 42 है, ये 44 है, मतलब 2 मिनट यहाँ पे आइडल रहा. देन दिस इज 65, दिस इज 69. फॉर दीज 4 minutes my machine is idle. Then this is 91, this is 92. For 1 minute my machine is idle. Plus this is 111 and this is 116, that is 5 plus 22. This comes out to be 56 minutes. I'll again explain you the ideal time for machine B. पहले तो मशीन B 22 पे स्टार्ट हुआ, तो पहले स्टार्टिंग में वो 22 मिनट्स आइडल था. प्लस सी नाउ B's वर्क फोर्थ जॉब इज गेटिंग completed at 42 एंड द नेक्स्ट वर्क इज स्टार्टिंग at 44. जहाँ पे ये डिफरेंस है वो आएगा. सो दिस 2 इज फ्रॉम दिस. देन यहाँ पे 65 है, यहाँ पे 69 है, दोनों का डिफरेंस 4 यहाँ पे आया. ये 91 है, ये 92 है, इनका डिफरेंस 1 यहाँ पे आया. ये 111 है, ये 116 है, इसका डिफरेंस यहाँ पे आया. प्लस दिस 22, ये 157 मिनट पे मेरा पूरा काम ख़त्म हुआ, बट बी का काम 135 मिनट पे ख़त्म हुआ, तो इन दोनों का डिफरेंस इज 22। तो इतने मिनट्स मशीन बी मेरा आइडल था। एंड नाउ फॉर सी मशीन, C machine started its work at 42 minutes. So initially for 42 minutes it was sitting idle. और दूसरा हम यहाँ पे डिफरेंस देखते हैं, अभी ये दोनों सेम है तो ये नहीं आएगा कुछ, यहाँ पे ये 90 है 91 है, तो 1 का डिफरेंस, राइट, दिस इज सेम, सो माई आंसर विल बी 43 minutes. डन.